Welcome back to Keynote Grammar Series for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to use a and an in our daily life. This video is a guide to cracking one of grammar's trickiest codes, knowing when to use a versus an. We use a or an when talking about one thing for the first time. They help introduce something new, like in the example, I saw a beautiful butterfly in the garden. The main rule is for vowel sounds. Use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. These are the sounds you hear at the beginning of words like apple, eagle, igloo, orphan, and umbrella. The rule for consonant sounds is to use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound. These sounds are heard at the beginning of words like dog, book, house, zoo, and giraffe. Let's see the sound rule in action. Use a with consonant sounds. A dog, a house, a giraffe. Use an with vowel sounds. An apple, an igloo, an umbrella. Notice the tricky words. A university and an hour. The secret is not what you see, it's what you hear. The choice between a and an depends entirely on the sound the next word begins with, not the letter it starts with. Sometimes we find a puzzle where the letter rule seems to fail. Case file 1. University starts with a vowel U, but we say a university. Case file 2. Hour starts with a consonant H, but we say an hour. Cracking the code of the tricky U in university, the U makes a long U sound, which is a consonant sound. That is why we use a, as in a university. Solving the case of the silent H in hour, the H is silent. The first sound you actually hear is hour, a vowel sound. Therefore, the conclusion is to use an, as in an hour. Now it's your turn to be the sound detective. Choose a or an for each word. Remember to say them aloud and listen to the first sound. Here is the detective's report. Check your answers. An orange, a horse, an egg, an umbrella, and a pencil. These choices align with the first sounds heard in each word. Your new grammar superpower is the sound check. Forget the confusing letter rule. Simply say the word aloud and listen to the very first sound. If it's a vowel sound, use an. If it's a consonant sound, use a. Congratulations, you've cracked the code. Case closed. You are now an article expert.